Hello and welcome to this another video of finding and understanding manipulation. So basically, a manipulation is just a fake move. So if we want to go higher, we will manipulate lower, and if we want to go lower, we will be manipulating higher. So basically, the generated liquidity will be earned, giving traders a fake move where they will be entering and their stop loss will be right here somewhere, and they will be and the price will be running their stop loss. So a manipulation leg is just a you can say a protected high or low where you can put your stop loss and it is protected. So let me show you on the charts. As you can see, let me cut this first. If we zoom into 15 minutes, we can see that we are having a fair value gap. So what I need, we just swept some liquidity right here. What I need is I need liquidity to be created first. If we want to go lower, we will be manipulating higher. So I need generated liquidity where the price will be going to hunt them. So what did is price going higher, creating liquidity pools. As you can see, we are creating or we are engineering sell side. What we did, we just created low resistance liquidity, and after the tap, what I need to see is a manipulation leg. So as you can see, this is my manipulation. Why this is my manipulation? Because if you can see, we are just going lower and we are having this small fair value gap. By this, price do sweep the buy side on 9:31 a.m. after opening or at opening. After that, it just did a change in state. No, it did here somewhere. Not this candle, 31. It did on 36. It did a change in state. It's manipulated. It is internal manipulation. It did a manipulation. After manipulation, it is still going lower. Where did it go? It to this 5-minute inverse. So what I will expect that in this discounted area, I need price to just respect and just build liquidity once again. So what price did next is it just gave a fake move upward after taking a support from this IFVG and created fake, you can say fake move upward, created sell side again, manipulated again, and did, you can see, we did an internal sweep. We just manipulated once again. We just did a change in the state. We just created 5-minute fair value gap. You can see we created a 5-minute gap. And if you zoom into 1 minute, we can see that we are inversed all these fair value gaps. So it means that price is not bullish, it's bearish because of this generated liquidity. We have fallen like 3000 points, and now this is like NFP day, and I need price to hunt all this resting sell side. What price did next is it swept all the sell side. You can see we just swept all the sell side very quick. If you can see that if we are generating liquidity, we will be moving very slower compared to just sweeping liquidity. We will sweep liquidity very fast, but on the same case, if we will generate liquidity, we will be moving very slower. As you can see, we are just moving like you can say this is like 827 candle, and we are just moving. At a point, what we did, we just immediate sweep the sell side after the rebalance and after the internal. If I go to the previous day, this is fourth. If I go to third, you can see. Uh, yeah, so this is my opening candle. So why I am short here? Why I did a short setup right here? Because we are having this fair value gap on 1 hour, I think. Yeah, we are having this gap, and on 15 minute or like 4 hours somewhere. Yeah, this fair value gap. So on 4 hour, we are having this fair value gap. What I need to see is a tap and a manipulation, then a market structure shift or a change in state with a fair value gap. So fair value gap is must. You need a fair value gap to confirm your draw liquidity. So what I can see is we have generated all this low resistance liquidity. What I need is I need price to sweep. So what price is next? It swept this sell side, and what I need next is price to go to like premium of the range, sweep some liquidity or manipulate it, and then continuation in lower, because this is a sell side where price can reverse or just may just run. So this is my sell side once again. What price did on 9:30? It just manipulated right here somewhere. This is my 15-minute fair value gap. We manipulated higher, and if I zoom into 5 minute, you can see we inversed this candle, bullish candle. And if I zoom into 1 minute, we are having a fair value gap. You can see 5 minute fair value gap. What we did on 1 minute, you can see uh, on 5 minute, this we are having another fair value gap, which is representing that we are bearish. After this tap, we just fall like 133 points. Why price did this move? And where is the draw? Where is the liquidity? Why price on 9:30 move higher? Because of this liquidity pools. You can see we are just generating liquidity. As you can see, we are having small fair value gaps. We are just going. Like you can see, we are moving slowly to a point where price reverse. And at this point, if I cut from here, you can see that yes, now I can take a buy setup. But where is the draw? The main question is, where is the draw? Where is the liquidity? So liquidity is present right here. We just swap the previous liquidity, and now we want to continue lower. And if you can see, a trader who enters here or somewhere right here get stop out, and after this we just continue lower. So this is my manipulation. And as you can see, manipulation, this is your protected high right here. It's your protected high where price will be not going. It's a psychological, not psychological, it's a logical level where price did all of its thing. It swept liquidity. So what price does only four things: either hunt liquidity, generate liquidity, rebalance fair value gap, and rebalance to equilibrium. It does only four things. What we did, we rebalanced to fair value gap, we rebalanced to OTE, or you can say the premium of the range, and now we need a continuation lower to sweep this generated liquidity. So at this manipulation leg, it's a protected high where we can put our SL, like here, like this. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new, then please go to my Discord and you can just ask questions and DM me. Thank you. Peace out, guys.